Hello, welcome to Maidstone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring Mote Park. 450 acres of lakes, woodland and history, and it's completely free. Let's go. There's something about pulling into a place like this. You are minutes away from Maidstone town centre, but suddenly it's just trees, sky and open space. Mote Park has been there since the 13th century. Originally a medieval deer park. That's nearly 800 years of people walking these same paths. Now paying our parking charges, we use the Ringo app for that, and now we are slowly going towards the park. And here's the thing about Mote Park, it's just not one vibe. You've got your families at the playground, runners on trails, and people just reading books on grass. So it's nature escape as well as a family hub, community hub. And this is the lake. Let's explore it soon. Let's go down there and see what's waiting there. And look at this welcoming committee. The geese and swans. They know they run this place. The lake itself is about 30 acres. And there's a full walking loop around it, and it's absolutely stunning, especially on sunny days. This is where Mote Park really shows off. The woodland trains wind around old oaks, and every turn gives you a different view of the water. There are a lot of places where you can just sit and enjoy the nature. And the paths are mostly accessible and they're flat, and it's an easy day out spot. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Through the trees up ahead, you are about to see something that doesn't quite belong in a public park. There it is, the Mote House. This is an 18th century mansion, Grade 2 listed building. It was built in 1790s for the first Baron Marsham. It's now a retirement village. So you're walking through mild meadows and woodland, and then suddenly this grand Georgian mansion appears out of nowhere. And this is countryside of Kent. Just look at these trees, how beautiful they are, covering the entire sky and giving shade to the park. If you're looking for leisure activity in Kent, Mote Park should be top of your list. This is 450 acres of adventure, right on Maidstone's doorstep. Here we are approaching the car park and the cafe again. So if you enjoy this walk, hit like and subscribe. I'm exploring many hidden places around the world and across UK. So if you're interested in, please join me. There's many more to come. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you on the next adventure. Until then, goodbye.